Polovinaka. I'm Anare, grandson of Yasawa, the owner of one of the islands at the Yasawa group, which is called Nanuya Lailai. My grandfather, who owns the island, has given me the permission to negotiate with a potential partner that has the vision and sees the value in this island. It is important to our family to build a wonderful, profitable, sustainable resort for the people around the world to enjoy, and not forgetting our Fijian people, our legacy can enjoy in future. Our island has a beautiful mountaintop views over the Blue Lagoon and also from the white sandy beaches. Just to top it up with our beautiful islands, it has mountain view trails with a beautiful Greenland overlooking to all surrounding islands and with the sunrise and sunset views. Mountaintop views are an ideal location to build a lookout or chapel for special occasion like wedding and engagement or ceremonies. With our island, it has 4 beautiful spots for snorkeling with beautiful Blue Lagoon water. As we move up to the islands, it has mud crabs, it has coconut, papaya, it has banana, and also pineapple on the island as for fresh fruit. Our island has so much potential to build one of the best resort in the Yasawa Island, Fiji, because it's the only island in the Yasawa group that has 2 beautiful white sandy beaches, which has 12.5 and 12.5, which total it up to 25 acres. For that, we have 2 sources of fresh water on the island, which is one of the main things that investors is looking for.
Well, whoever is listening to what I'm about to say, I'm standing beside my grandson here, and I've got a beautiful island here in Yasawa, where the Blue Lagoon is, and it's 2 beachfront, and I'm willing to share it with someone around the world. If there's somebody around the world who's willing to buy it, because there's a potential here on this island, and I'm willing to sell it or even lease it, whatever the outcome will be. But we still can sit down and negotiate about it, which will benefit my people on the island here and the future generation.